Joint Tech is a brush-in pavement jointing compound. Ready to use, it not only saves on time and labour, but with 5 colours in the range, we are confident one of them will complement and add value to your paved area. Please follow the instructions carefully, and if you have any further questions, check out our website on www.jointtech.ie and www.jointtech.co.uk. Step 1. Preparation. Ensure joints are clean, free from debris, and a minimum of 20 mm deep and 5 mm wide. Narrower joints can be pointed with Joint Tech using the edge of a trowel or similar. Step 2. Wet area. Ensure the entire area to be pointed is thoroughly sprayed with water prior to spreading Joint Tech. On a dry day, keep re-wetting the area if it is drying out. It is essential all areas to be pointed are saturated in water prior to pointing and remain wet for the entire process. Step 3. Apply product. Open the Joint Tech bucket and remove bag. Open the vac pack bag and pour Joint Tech onto areas to be pointed. Using small manageable amounts, avoid spreading over a large area before application. Step 4. Work into joints. With a stiff brush or squeegee, brush Joint Tech into all joints, ensuring all joints are filled and compacted. Step 5. Continuously washing. With a hose on sprinkle setting, add more water to help residual compound flow into the joints of the paving and to aid the final compaction process. Step 6. Final wash and clean. Apply a gentle spray of water across the surface to wash off any Joint Tech residue. Always sweep with a clean brush diagonally across joint to remove any loose grains. Take care not to brush the product out of joints or into nearby drains. Step 7. Smooth the joints. It is not essential, but we do recommend to strike or point the surface of the joints with a suitable pointing tool. This will ensure the joints are all below the surface of the paving, resulting in a perfect finish to your paving. Thank you for listening. If you have any other